We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 17 not turning on. You can follow this whether you have an iPhone 17 Pro, a Pro Max, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really frustrating problem because you're wanting to go and use your iPhone and you're unable to, it's not turning on. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try doing. Make sure to use full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide which solves a problem for you. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you first of all want to do is go and locate the side button here. You probably just try pressing it, but what you want to do is go and tap and hold it. Hold it down for a good 15 to 20 seconds and go and see if anything happens. If it does and it comes on, great. However, if it doesn't, we can actually try doing a button combination, which will hopefully go and solve the problem. So you want to go and find the volume controls here, which are on the left. We're going to press volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold this side button here. Keep this held down. The screen will go and remain black, but you keep it held down, and eventually you should go and see the Apple icon, like so. Then release, and it should now go and be starting. And this indicates that hopefully it's going to be solved. Now, if it still isn't, don't worry. We're still going to guide you through another thing you can try doing. So we'll just go and keep waiting for it to go and start. It shouldn't go and be too much longer. Here we are. Then we can go and unlock it and go and use it. Now, if yours is still not turning on, what you should try doing is go and getting the charging cable, and you want to just go and plug it in. Go and let it charge for 5 to 10 minutes. And then what you want to do is try doing that combination again. You can try pressing the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold this side button. And then hopefully it'll go and get working and the Apple icon will then go and appear. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.